Hey everyone, it's Talayia with Melanin Beaute Boutique, and today is Business Savvy Saturday. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 questions that you should ask yourself. Are you ready to be an entrepreneur? Asking yourself these questions will kind of get you in the mindset to think, are you ready to take that leap to have your own business and be an entrepreneur? So the first question is, you want to ask yourself, what is your vision? What vision do you have for your business? You have to just kind of do some searching, some researching, and honestly, you should probably think about, what do you like? What can you be passionate about? That usually is a good starting point of, deciding, what type of business you want to have, and then ultimately that will help you build your vision. So, for me and Ashley, we like beauty, we like beauty products, and we wanted to create this different style experience for our customers. So we decided that our business would be a beauty supply business. So, our vision, we have it mapped out. We decided to create our YouTube channel. We decided to create our Instagram and our Facebook page. We came up with our branding, like what color scheme we want to go with. We came up with like a vision, like an overall package of what we want our business to look like. So the first question you want to ask yourself is, what is your overall vision going to be for your company? Number 2 is, who is your ideal customer? Is your ideal customer someone from the ages from 25 to 35? Is it teenagers? Is it women who are a little more mature and older? You have to know who your ideal customer is when you are, opening up a business. For me and Ashley, our ideal customer is working millennial women. So you have to have a target audience. And the reason we picked that as our target is because that's what we are. We are millennial working women. So we know what we like and we know what's popular within our age group of women. So that's who we decided our ideal customer was. So number 3 is, how will you scale your business? So scale meaning, what are you going to do to increase the sales, increase the brand awareness, and just increase your business overall? That's what scaling is. So what are you going to do to scale your business once you get to a certain point? Once we launch our website and we start making sales, we are going to have to think about scaling and how we're going to do that. We started to kind of dabble in different ways, with, doing Facebook ads and doing Instagram ads, just to increase the brand awareness for Melanin Beaute. With us launching our website in September, we need people to know who we are and know that we're out there. So the 4th question you want to ask yourself is, what are your weaknesses? Everybody has a weakness. Nobody's perfect. Learning YouTube and learning social media marketing and learning all things video definitely were weaknesses for us, because we needed to understand it so that we can, do our videos for YouTube, do our social media branding and things. And everybody's going to have their weakness. So you have to ask yourself, what are your weaknesses and what are you going to do to overcome those weaknesses? And the last question that you want to ask yourself when you're thinking about being an entrepreneur is, how are you going to automate certain pieces of your business? For us, nothing's automated right now. Everything's being done by us manually. Doing a lot of manual labor, you are going to get worn out at some point. So you have to think about long term and how you're going to automate. So how will we automate like our online sales? Do we go consult with a warehouse or some sort of storage place? So we have to think about, how are we going to automate, especially too, since both me and my sister, we still work full-time jobs. So we want to be able to have some sort of automation to help, us with not having to do everything so manually. So that was it. That's all I have as far as the 5 questions that you want to ask yourself when you're considering being an entrepreneur. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you like what we talked about. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you. Also let me know in the comments if there is like another topic business wise that you'd like for us to cover during our Business Savvy Saturday segment. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to us, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can get all of our updates. We are on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter now. Our Twitter handle is Melanin Beaute, PA, like Pennsylvania, so PA. I hope you ladies have a lovely Saturday, and we will see you on the next one.